What's up everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to unbox the all-new DJI Mavic Mini. This is the second drone that I've purchased from DJI, and for all those people that are new to drones or this is their first drone, I'd recommend buying this one over any other drone. It's lightweight, it's easy to use, and it comes fully packaged with all the accessories that you need to get started. I actually purchased this in December for my trip to Europe, so by the time I'm actually posting this video, I would have probably already played with this for about a month and a half. Anyways, stay tuned. It's now been a month and a half since I purchased this drone, and what's great about it is that it literally comes with everything you need to get started. I ended up buying the Fly More combo for $499 plus tax, but if you want to buy the drone itself, you can also get it cheaper at $399. But if you think about it, for that extra $100, why not save yourself a little bit of money and get the extra batteries, charger, carrying case, and propellers all in one package? I gotta say though, at $399, this is still worth it given that this is the first DJI drone to come with the remote control, even though it is just a Wi-Fi remote. This carrying case is probably the best thing about buying the Fly More combo. Everything you need can be stored and carried in this case, and it's really durable and convenient. What's also great about this drone is that it's ultra light, weighing in at 249 grams, which means you don't need to register it with the FAA to operate it, which is a new law they have for any unmanned aircraft over 250 grams. It's just right under the minimum weight. This thing is even lighter than the DJI Spark, which weighs in at 300 grams, which you can also see me unbox and review in one of my previous videos. I'd say that the target audience for the Mavic Mini is for new drone owners like myself who want to start with something that's easy to use and more reasonable in price. It has a 12 megapixel camera and can do video up to 2.7K at 25 and 30 frames per second. If you set it to Full HD, you can do 25, 30, 50, and even 60 frames per second at a resolution of 1920 by 1280. But unlike most other drones from DJI, this one cannot do 4K video. What I like best about the drone, other than it being lightweight, is that it has a 30-minute flight time, which is great because you aren't having to swap out batteries so frequently. It has a max distance of about 2.5 miles using the remote, but what I found because it's Wi-Fi is that you start to lose your video link before it even gets that far, and I had to use the return home function most of the time to bring it back into range. There is a covered bay for a single battery, and the drone itself uses micro SD cards, which does not come with the drone, or at least mine didn't. One important thing to remember, and something I myself keep forgetting to do before flying the drone, is to remove the gimbal cover that protects the camera and keeps it from damage when it's being stored. It's just this removable plastic thingy that you can pull right off and then put back on when you're done filming. The drone itself is made of a lightweight but durable plastic, and even though it's light, worked great in windy and cold conditions. In fact, I think I prefer flying it when it's cold, just because the drone can get pretty hot when using it. The Fly More combo comes with a battery charger that allows you to charge up to 3 batteries. The only problem is they don't charge at the same time, but instead completes charging one before charging the next battery. It would be nice if it could have charged all 3 batteries at the same time. I like that the controller joysticks are now removable, allowing for easier storage. And when it comes to accessories, this thing comes with a lot of accessories, actually a lot of cables with this bundle. You get a mini screwdriver and cable connectors for any type of device or phone you could think of or want to connect to this controller. It also comes with a fast USB charging plug to allow for faster charging, so that's good. As well as 2 USB cables, which you can never have enough of. The controller can accommodate pretty much any phone, and you can adjust the size of the grips to get a good, snug, and secure fit. So whether you're using an iPhone, an Android phone, you're covered. The only downside with this controller is that it's Wi-Fi, which limits the range the drone can go versus other drones. You also get a couple sets of replacement propeller blades in case something unfortunate happens, as well as the typical standard user guides and instruction manuals. The Fly More bundle comes with 3 batteries, giving you a total flight time of about 90 minutes, 30 minutes each individual battery, so you're going to have to stop and switch them out. You can use the included charger, which is convenient, to also store the batteries, given that everything packs nicely into the carrying case. Just a heads up though, the batteries can be a little difficult to remove at times. Fly More combo also comes with prop guards, which is a good indoor accessory, especially if you're new to drones. Flying a drone can already be challenging enough without the challenge of crashing it into walls, which is why these guards are so great, especially if you plan to fly your drone indoors, which probably isn't going to be often. The guards aren't too difficult to install, and they pretty much fit only one way. You just need to wrap them around the propeller and then clip them into place. Once the guards are on, you can fly the drone virtually anywhere without having to worry about it getting damaged or running into anything. So that's a look at the Mavic Mini, and honestly, I think it's a great drone. The level of quality is definitely less than that of the other DJI drones, but overall, if you're a beginner and someone who is interested in buying your first drone, I would definitely pick one of these up. It's lightweight, it's easy to use, and you can get some great shots from it.